Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center today. Just got a fresh trade-in. Just traded for this little travel trailer. Hadn't cleaned it up or nothing yet. Nice little family floor plan model. This is a 2013 Jayco Whitehawk Ultralight. This camper is, heck, I done forgot the model number. It's a 29 SQB. About 33 feet long. It has one slide, quad bunks. Got some really neat options, including double power awnings. Got an outside kitchen. Of course, Jayco, great brand, Amish Mennonite built. 80% of their workforce are Amish and Mennonite, so you can imagine the quality. Like the way the axe got the spread axles, so you got less sway when you're driving down the road instead of having the axles right there next to each other. Got some outside speakers. Weighs 5,865 pounds. Got the stabilizer jacks, all fiberglass exterior, spare tire on the back, and you can see colors look good to be a 13. One slide with awning toppers, got an outside shower, 30 amp service for power. And of course we're shooting this on the fly, no power, nothing run to it. So hopefully you can see, you can make it out inside. Got a power tongue jack, dual 20-pound bottles on the front, deep cycle battery. Got the diamond plating on the front as well to protect it from rocks and debris from your tow vehicle. Let's look inside. 29 SQB, of course, tough shell aluminum frame by Jayco. You know, they make the Jayco has sold more travel trailers than anybody. Looking inside, guys, and I apologize again for the low light. Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully my camera's low light filter is good enough for you to make it out. I've got some good pictures. If not, the lights were on earlier for the pictures, but the battery just didn't have enough juice left in it. Got a big table booth right here, which this is ideal because you're going to have this camper, you're going to have more than 2 people staying in it anyway, so you've got a table booth big enough to seat 4 people or 5 people pretty comfortably. Got a big kitchen area, got a sleeper sofa. Table booth makes a big bed too. And again, I apologize for the darkness, folks. I hope you can see some of the woodwork in here. Got the nice lighting. Got a big bulletin board somebody's added to here. Triple burner stovetop, microwave. Just really quick, got a refrigerator freezer 2-door 8 cubic foot back here in the back. 4 bunks, ideal for kids. A place for a TV back here, and you can put video game systems, whatever you want to put. Got a privacy curtain to cut down on the weight instead of a solid sliding door. Got a fully enclosed side bathroom. Pretty light in here. Stand-up shower, got a skylight, and everything looks good. I don't see any water damage, no smoke, no pet odors. Got a TV already in it, Jensen audio system. This TV will flip around so you can watch it from the master bedroom in the evening if you want to. Queen bed here. You can barely walk in front of it, but it's all you need. Overhead storage. Nice little camper, guys. It's clean, well equipped, and it's affordable at $13,900. But you don't just get a nice camper for that price. Of course, this is not just any RV, it's a Parkway RV, so it's going to include, after purchase, an extensive RV checkout by my certified and trained RV technicians. I'm talking 4-page long procedure. And we're going to plug it into power, make sure everything passes the inspection with flying colors. If we find a problem, we fix it at no additional cost to you guys. You don't buy an RV from Parkway RV expecting to work on it, folks. No. You buy it, and you buy one from us, it's ready to hook to your vehicle, take it to the campground, enjoy using it. You're going to get the inspection and anything we find wrong with it, which is done after purchase. If you want to know the current lead time, which isn't long, for a travel trailer, contact my sales department. They'll get you that information. Also, folks, included at $13,900, a 90-day nationwide limited warranty accepted at a network of dealers nationwide. $13,900. Guys, that's #1 issue facing used RV shoppers today, our number one complaint, they don't want to inherit somebody else's problems. Well, the warranty and that checkout should eliminate that fear. And you can extend that warranty affordably if you want to. Just let us know. We'll get you a quote. That's included for $13.9, the 90-day nationwide limited warranty. Also included after purchase, this unit's going to go through the inspection process, and my cleaning crew is going to clean it inside and out for you. Then we're going to call you to set up a time to pick it up. When you arrive here at the appointed time, the technician that checked it out is going to give you a one-on-one RV orientation, which you can record with your phone or camera, showing you how to operate everything. That's also included, $13.9. Answering any questions you have, show you how to hook it to your vehicle, and much more. All that's included for only $13.9, guys, plus other nice features too. Of course, we pay for your drive-out tag. We do no charge for your legal drive-out tag, 45-day drive tag. Also included your camping. We have a starter kit, what we call a starter kit, which is a big 5-gallon bucket, all brand new, with new sewer hose, new water hose, pressure reducer, chemicals, adapters, basically everything you need to go camping. That's included, no extra charge for $13.9. Also included 21 nights of free camping, up to 7 nights at a time at select RV resorts nationwide, to be used in a 12-month period. $1,000 worth of free camping just for buying from Parkway, guys. Like I said, we have a saying here, and I say it in my other videos: easy, simple, done. Tell you what I mean by that. $13.9 all inclusive, plus applicable sales tax, no fees, no surprises, no games, no gimmicks. You get a fully functional 2013 Jayco Whitehawk Ultralight 29 SQB, ready to go, checked out, cleaned up after purchase. Includes the warranty, includes the inspection, the orientation, the free camping, the starter kit, and more. Drive-out tag included. Any applicable tag and title work included. That's all included, folks. $13.9 plus tax. I mean, that's easy, simple, done. It's haggle-free. We don't haggle. Don't matter how you're paying for it. It doesn't matter if you're a cash customer, if you're a finance customer, if you're a trade customer, or a combination of three. It's all cash to us. Goes right into the good old bank. So, you know, however you want to pay for it, that's the price if you want all those benefits. Now, that being said, if you don't want to wait for the inspection, and you don't want the warranty, you don't want the free camping, and all those other benefits, we will discount the price for an as-is hook and book price. And folks, even if we're selling it as-is, we're still going to plug it into power, make sure the fridge, the air, and the slides work, or slide out works. So, you know, that'll be covered. But anything else, of course, we're not going to put water on it. We're not going to check anything else. All that stuff's as-is. Take it as it is. But we will hook it up and make sure you're, even on an as-is deal, make sure your fridge and your air conditioner works and gets cold. You know, that's the two major things that, in the slide out works. And that's the three major things that would cost you the most money if it didn't work. So I don't mind doing that even on an as-is option B price. But anything else, of course, that may or may not function is on you to fix or not fix. And there's no exclusions to that. So anyway, come out and look at it. Be your own judge. Got a great selection of used travel trailers. I will post a link in the video description that'll take you to my website travel trailer page. There you'll see a lot more information than what's on YouTube. I'll have a factory sales brochure. I'll have a floor plan, pictures, specs, measurements, weights. Any technical information you could ever want will be on there. Finance applications, and yes, I do have financing with approved credit and down payment. If you want to know how much down payment is going to be, give us a call, 706-965-7929. As always, please call before coming to look to verify availability. If you have any questions, folks, give us a call. Our phone number is, again, 706-965-7929. Email us at sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. We are located at 5568 Battlefield Parkway, Ringgold, Georgia, 30736. We are 15 miles south of Chattanooga, Tennessee, 120 miles north of Atlanta, Georgia. In fact, this unit was bought new in Atlanta and came from this area. And Folks, we're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 6 Eastern Time. Saturday, 9 to 5 Eastern. Closed Sunday for the Lord and family day for my employees, since mostly everybody here works 6 days a week. So, but we're closed most major holidays, so please call ahead before coming down to look to verify availability. And, and if you want to make an appointment, of course, you're welcome to. It's not required, and if you just want to simply come and browse, guys, we're the only dealer around with 100. Well, first of all, we're the only dealer in 100 and 500-mile radius that has this many used RVs in one location. A lot of places have a bunch of new ones, but here's the thing: you'll spend twice as much for a new one that's not near the quality of this, and this will save you half and get a better camper. I mean, guys, it's crazy what some of these new places charge for new campers, just so you can enjoy that new camper smell for a few weeks. But anyway, it's a nice camper. It's clean. It's been well taken care of, best that I can tell. If you have any questions, give us a call, 706-965-7929. You're welcome to email us, sales, SALES, at parkway.rvcenter.com. And of course, if you can go to the website, parkway.rvcenter.com. Go click on the video description, and there'll be a link in the first sentence or two, or the first paragraph. And of course, you can hit the contact us from any listing on there, and that's about the same thing as emailing. So if you got any questions, folks, give us a call. Our inspection sheet's on each listing too, so you can see everything that we inspect and guarantee for the price you pay, which you're going to be impressed, guys. Nobody does that to used RVs, but hardly anybody out there has been in business for 51 years and 3 generations right here in Ringgold, Georgia, and hardly anybody else sells 500 to 600 used RVs a year like we do. We don't play around, folks. Don't believe me? Go to my YouTube channel. Just start looking through my videos. See how many of them say sold on them. You get an idea how many campers and motorhomes that we sell. Thank you for watching my video, folks. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I try to post stuff every day. And if you have any questions, call us, email us, and thank you again for watching. I look forward to seeing everybody here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.